You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, let's learn how to pronounce it in English. The pronunciation is as batch. Alright, you have a T sound and then ch. And it's actually the same sound because the sound of CH already has a T, alright? So it's a ch. So it's not ch, it's not ch, no, just batch. It's easy once you know. Listen carefully how to pronounce in English. English pronunciation, batch. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.